Welcome back to my channel. Thanks to this natural fertilizer that we will apply to our cucumbers and tomatoes whose leaves are yellowing or even about to die, they will instantly revive and make the leaves healthier and bloom again. Let's watch how the mixture is prepared that will allow you to get a lot of fruit together. We will use two products for this process. Our first product is the peels of the potato that you peel to throw in the trash normally. Let these peeled shells dry in the sun. The shells will be dry in no more than 2 days. Do not dry it in the oven or microwave. How do you know that the shells have dried truly? If the shells break very comfortably when you pick them up, they have completely dried out. Fill the dried potato peels into a mixer. Throw half a chalk into disintegrated potato peels. I'm talking about the chalk used in schools. Thanks to this chalk, we will have added calcium to the mixture. We know that the calcium contained in eggshells become useful over a long period of time. When we apply chalk in this way, the calcium will reach the form that the soil will accept more quickly. Make sure that the mixture is truly powdered. Fill the mixture into a jar and use it when you need it. The fact that the potato skins have completely dried out will ensure that this storage condition lasts longer. How to apply the mixture? We will dissolve the teaspoon of powdered fertilizer in a liter, so add hot water to the powdered fertilizer and mix it. Let this mixture cool down. Mix it again after cooling and apply it to your plants twice a week for the first week, then once a week, 1 glass for each seedling close to the roots. These cucumber seedlings that you are seeing have waited too long in their vial, so they have not received enough minerals, as can be seen from the color of the leaves. We apply the mixture to each seedling. It does not matter if the first leaves remain light in color. What is important is the leaves and flowers will come out after this. You can use this with peace of mind on your tomato seedlings and other plants as well. In this mixture we have prepared, there is potassium, phosphorus, nitrogen and calcium. This cucumber you saw was about to die on the seedling. Even though it is very short in height, it even has fruits on it. The starch in the potato will ensure root development and make the leaves more vibrant. Phosphorus makes flowering and fruiting more. Use this natural mixture instead of chemical fertilizer is important for you to get healthy foods. We started planting seedlings in this small garden of ours about 15 days ago. We feed our seedlings regularly with our fertilizer prepared from potatoes and chalk. The area where it's located receives only 3 to 4 hours of sun per day. I use neither chemical fertilizer nor animal manure. After about 15 days, you can see how lively these seedlings are, and they grow very quickly. As for our cucumbers whose leaves are yellow, as I have just mentioned, the first leaves indicate a mineral deficiency, while the leaves that come out later indicate that they are well fed. You can apply this mixture by spraying it on the leaves every 2 weeks. Apply the spraying process on the leaves in the cool of the morning until 9 o'clock so that the leaves absorb the nutrients more easily. When applying it from the leaves, try not to spray on the flowers so that you do not have any problems with pollination. I have videos on my channel about diseases that can occur in plants and preventions of that diseases. You can also find videos about tomato and pepper pruning irrigation. We have come to the end of another video. I am waiting for your comments under the video. If you also like this video of mine, please don't forget to click on like, subscribe to my channel and activate the bell to watch my next videos and support my channel. See you in my next videos.